and welcome to Career Launcher. My name is Praveen Chobe and I am here again with a new video. So we will talk about Chief of Defense Staff. Recently our government created a new post called Chief of Defense Staff along with Department of Military Affairs under Ministry of Defense. Now who is Chief of Defense Staff? What are the functions given to him? So Chief of Defense Staff is a 4-star general officer who will act as a principal military advisor to the Ministry of Defense and our Indian government. Let's see the background. It was in 2001 a group of ministers first recommended for the post of Chief of Defense Staff who had given a task to study Kargil Review Committee 1999. At the same time, in 2012, Naresh Chandra Committee also recommended for the creation of Chief of Defense Staff. Now let's talk about the role given to this Chief of Defense Staff. Chief of Defense Staff is a senior most military officer and military advisor to the President of India. Department of Military Affairs will be headed by Chief of Defense Staff. Chief of Defense Staff will bring synergies and cooperation among all the three services. Chief of Defense Staff will have the same salary and allowances as given to the other chief staffs. Chief of Staff Committee Permanent Chairman will also act by this Chief of Defense Staff, but here I want to mention one important thing: he will not exercise any military command over all three chiefs. It means that he will bring a synergy and cooperation among the tri-services. Second important thing what I want to tell you about Chief of Defense Staff. Chief of Defense Staff will act as an important military advisor in case of nuclear command authority that is chaired by our Prime Minister, who deal all the nuclear arsenal of our country. Let's talk about these services. What are the tenure given to the Chief of Defense Staff? So recently Ministry of Defense amendment the Army, Navy, Air Force rules and allowing Chief of Defense Staff to work maximum period of 65 years. Second important thing, Chief of Defense Staff will not act as any government official after retirement or resignation from the post of Chief of Defense Staff. So these are some important points. Please keep in your mind. Okay, thank you.